Hey guys, Pirata here again, and now to bring you the new project that's on M5 Burner now, and it's been released on GitHub. Uh, I worked with Prey and Incursio Hacker to develop the new version of Bruce Firmware, and it's now available for you. So, what do we have there? Let's go. Let's see. Well, where is my camera? Here, let's go. From start, we have Bruce, and this is the guy. The options we have here, now we can go through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, RF, RFID, and these other options that we have many things here, and configurations. Let's start from Wi-Fi. Here we have the option to connect to Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi access point, so you can start an access point with that. Wi-Fi attacks. What can we do here? Beacon spam, right? So we can roll funny SSIDs, Ricky roll, and random SSID like Nemo did in this version of Bruce also was doing that. Let's start again right here. Attacks. The target attacks we have are, let's see, information, the authentication, clone portal, the out clone, and return to my menu. This is the same that we have on Nemo, right? And I brought it here because I did it, and so I think you deserve to have it again here. And let's go for the next ones. Telnet, to connect to Telnet. SSH, you can connect to a client through SSH. Let's connect to a machine that I have here, and let's go. The client is 192.3.60. Why is it so hard? The door port is 22. Ubuntu and Ubuntu, and let's go. It had connected, and let's see OS. This is everything we can do many things like sudo. Let's see. This is the guy. Look. Many things we can do here. Let's start. Let's go to another thing, to another place, and let's go here. Wi-Fi, SSH, raw sniffer. It will sniff through your network and save the PCAP files. DPWO, you can. Here in Brazil, we have many internet providers that use some standard password for their internet, right? So it searches for these kind of networks and try to connect it. Evil Portal is so nice. I will show you after. Scan hosts. What does it do? We connect to the into a network. Let's see. Let's connect into my network here, and let's see. It's searching. The X are the hosts that are online here, right? I have many things online here, so let's wait for this, and let's see what we can do with this. connecting, searching. Okay, this is already all the end IPs that it found. Let's see the 60 that we found before. And what we have here, ports opened. And this is all we have. Let's go to another thing. I was talking about WireGuard. WireGuard, you can create connecting to your network through a WireGuard connection. And let's go. Bluetooth. Bluetooth, we have some spams, right? It works a little well, but many of these devices are well patched, so it won't work. So, but it's here to try. Radio frequency. I have connected here the radio frequency, and for now we only have the spectrum, and this is what we see here. The spectrum. Most of the times it works. And let's see, RFID showing in the other device. Others, we have TVB gun. TVB gun, it doesn't get stuck with the LED turned on. So let's wait it finish and see what how it works. If it keeps the LED on like the others or not. Let's wait, it's finishing. Right, finished, and the light is off. Okay, so this is how it works. And custom IR, well, it works with the codes that Flipper 0 works. So we have this Flipper IRDB, and there are many codes here. Like, I'll get the first ones here just to try, and it takes some time because, and this is the guy, this is one. It will start sending, and it is sending the codes. Okay, so you can do this. There are many ways to make it better, but this is something. SD card to see what files we have here, right? And we can copy the files to the file system, to the memory of the microcontroller. Copy to little fs. We copy, and let's get out of here. And here we have the flash memory. Little fs, we have launcher bin that the m5 launcher.txt that I just copied. We can use this memory inside here to use for custom infrared and for custom info portal that is in this guy here. Let's go, let's see. And for this guy we have web UI, I'll show you after, and this little game here. Look, we have a little game. We have our sharky eating some fishes. I hope you can see by yourself what fish is that, but this is for you to play along. Let's see more things. What we have here, open haystack, LED control. Let's see, purple LED, and we can search change the color here for green. Yes, we can control this LED here and start and stop the LED. More things. What are the more things we can do here? Let's see. We can do bad USB, and from this bad USB SD card, and we must have some ducky scripts here. Silly duck scripts, don't expect to make a lot of programmation. I don't have any duck script here to test, but it only works in the Cardputer. For these guys, I have a work in progress to use UART to HID to connecting to the computer. But so maybe in the next month or two, we'll have something from there. And with this bad USB, we can choose a keyboard pattern. So if you're in France and you use these AZERTY keyboards, you can use this pattern and shoot your ducky scripts from here, right? I hope it works and maybe people are happy. Let's restart again. And these are things to show from this guy. But what is new? The new thing is that we have for this guy here, right? We have now the Bruce software running in the M5 stick devices. And here I have connected the RFID to, right? I don't have a MyFair Classic card here to show it writing, but let's see how it works with one that I use for another purpose. Look, it's reading. It reads. It's not MyFair Classic, so it doesn't let me do anything else. The battery ran out. Let's connect it into this guy here. Let's go. What I want to show you here is that I have my SD card, but imagine that I don't have it. What can I do with this? Let's see, others, and we have this web UI here, and I will connect into my network, right? And by connecting to my network, I'll try to show you here what we can do that is really different. Let's see, Bruce.local, and the password that it asks is the one that's written in here. So I have admin and Bruce. And so let's go, connecting to it. And here we have little FS. I don't have the SD card plugged here. So here in the little FS, we can send files into the flash memory. And why is it so important? We can make things easy. For example, I'm searching for payload here. Payload, Alaska Airlines, and here we have Alaska Airlines HTML, right? And send it, and here we have Alaska Airlines. What is it so? Why is it important? What we can do with this? Let's see again here. Let's get back to our little guy. Let's go to Wi-Fi. I told you we would talk about this Evil Portal, right? So in the Evil Portal, we can choose custom HTML. If you are using Cardputer, or if you have a SD card, it will show an option for you to choose another file, to choose between SD card or flash memory. But here we have Alaska Airlines and free Wi-Fi, and it takes a little time and it's on. Why is it so nice now? Let's see if I can connect here into my Wi-Fi network, the network that is just online here. Free Wi-Fi, connect. it's trying, but as I have another connection, it won't leave me connect into it. But no problem. Let's try another. Maybe we can try another way after. Uh, but the point is, it will connect into the network, right? It will show a new your custom HTML, and you will have your custom evil portal to use with your, well, with any HTML you have pointing to anywhere. And if you want to know what credentials you have get, you go through you connect into this network and you go to 172.0.0.1/creds. And if you want to change the SSID using your smartphone, for example, you can just come here and change. Okay, these are things that you can do here. I told you about the SSH. This is another thing that is interesting. We have SSH here too, right? It's trickier to type the things, right? I will connect here into my network, but it's something that's worth a try, right? You need to have some patience. 192 dot, let's see, (160H) dot 3. That's 60, right? And this is something that if you're using this guy, it's not so nice to use, but it's something that if you want to use as a proof of concept, you can try here. I will just wait a few seconds. I will pause here and connect into the network. Okay. Now we have here the password, and let's go. Okay. Connecting, and this is SSH. What we can do here, we can clear the screen. I have this comment set up here, CLS, clear screen, and press OK, and let's do LS to see what we have in our host, right? LS. Okay, and these are the folders that we have there. So we have many things here, and it's a nice proof of concept, right? It can connect and you can control it. Maybe one day we'll have this little keyboard associated with this guy and working with Bruce, but we need time to develop that. Reading, storing, and replaying RF signals will be in the next updates, so we need time to develop that. It was supposed to be running, but it's not. Okay, there are many things here that need improvements. Maybe we have this working on Core 2 in the next months, but as you know, I'm working on M5 launcher, and I need time to do that. So I will prepare the M5 launcher first, and after that I will port Bruce to this guy here and improve all these sensor usage things. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and if you are willing, you can buy me a coffee and help the project going on. Okay, see you later, guys.